here we're seeing this week we started to pick up more sort of steepness in the trend, and that's a sign of momentum and money coming in. So, last week we were talking about this 570 was a key to hold. We danced around it and then reversed, and look what we did today. So now we're pushing 641 is 50% of the square, and I think that's the next target here. And as long as we're seeing, higher highs and higher lows, it's all good. This is what you want to see in a bullish market. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly's a little more dramatic because you can see we sort of been here. We were quietly up for a month because people could say, oh, that's still sideways. Nothing's happening here. But now it's getting a little harder to stay quiet about it. And it's picking up more sponsorship and more people coming into it. And that's why we're seeing, this series of up bars. We have 1, 2, 3 inside bar, 4, 5, 6 up bar, 6 weeks in a row, actually 6, 7 weeks in a row on wheat. It's not making the front page of the Wall Street Journal. The chat rooms aren't talking about it. It's just being accumulated and pushing higher. They'll talk about it when it does this sort of thing. And if everybody remembers cocoa, we talked about cocoa, and I remember it so vividly. I was at the gym the day it went crazy, right? It went absolutely crazy, and it was on CNBC. That was the top. To the day, it was the top. And it just made that spike. So CNBC put it on, and then that was it. Coco's on CNBC, and we're like, okay, sell. Anyway, this is when everybody will be talking about it. Right here is when the people in the know that understand the fundamental reason. We don't understand the fundamental reason, but there are people that do, and they're buying. Remember, this is a 5-year sideways consolidation that was capped by this 595 level. Here was support. Here was resistance. Back here was a resistance. So this is a big spot. Once we get up on top and can sit on top of that, that's when the launch really happens. And you can see it, from here, right? Banging up against it, got above it, tested, and then gone. So let's watch this. But if we do push above and sit on top, it's going. So watch that very closely. Anything else you want to add on wheat?
No, we're doing fine. You picked it up early on, and it's moving perfectly.
Yep, it's
We're good.
moving.